Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome to our Thursday Outlook video markets in DowHow view. DowHow is nothing, it's not a Chinese meal, it's the right know-how about the Dow theory, my personal and private trading approach. And now we want to talk about trading ideas for Thursday, December the 20th, in the name of XM Broker, one of the best broker around the world, one of the biggest broker around the world. I have my own account there, and I can propose this to you to open an account there. So, and this cooperation between XM and DowHow, I'm proudly to present this outlook for Thursday. And let's start with a view at the S&P, Nasdaq 100, the cash market. Markets are open at the moment. So first of all, day trading, in my opinion, day trading means trades in 5-minute chart, and it's really important to close the gap between the theory and practice. So in my opinion, the hourly chart, the leading trend in the hourly chart is most important, because you need the support of the higher trend. Then the opportunities rise up, a lot of rise up to be successful in 5-minute chart. So this is the reason why we look always first on the hourly chart. So what we can see here, actually we are, first of all, we use the market indicator on the right side, red zone, no trades, green zone, go, and always back in the red zone, the point of control in a fair valued zone. Here is the red zone calling, and the green zone is the unfair value zone, unfair price zone, cause the price doesn't feel comfortable there, and doesn't feel comfortable there, and always want to go back into the red zone. This is the direction to be long. And you can see the price is building a bottom here on the lower side, and this means that we can think about long trades in 5-minute charts. So here we go. In the 5-minute chart, you are in the green zone as well, but we have rules, guys. We have rules, and I want to show you the rules. Look at this one. Let's repeat. Oh, that's the German thing. Sorry. I repeat, first you need a trend, second a young trend, third rule, you need a correction at least 38%. Then in the correction you have to wait until until a balanced candle, and the fifth rule, then red to red, blue to blue, green to green, and the market profile shows us the final target. Here we go. We don't have a trend actually, so we can do nothing in Nasdaq at the moment. We have to wait if we will see a trend. So put it on your watch list, because the hourly chart is very good, but we need our rules in the 5-minute chart. In the S&P 500, or we use Dow Jones, you see a similar situation. The Dow Jones is building a bottom actually, and if we can see here maybe divergences on the lower side. Let's see here, this one, maybe here a bottom with a small divergence. Then we can think about long trades in 5-minute chart, and of course 5-minute chart here. First of all, we are in a green zone. That means we can trade a long direction, but first of all, you see we have a downtrend at the moment, and we need a long trend. That's most important thing. So we have to wait. I see the market is very weak this morning in USA, and so we have to wait if we have a long trend, and then we can make our rules to go back into the red zone. Let's switch to gold. Gold is this meaning here. So here you see we are very far in the move. We don't have a trend. That's bad. That's really bad. No trade, no trend, no trade. And we are a little bit in a green zone. It's very difficult or dangerous at the moment, because there wasn't handled, there wasn't traded in the past here. So we have to wait. Either we have a trend down back to the point of control, or divergences, or any resist on the upper side. nothing of that 3 templates we have actually. So don't make a trade in gold. And let's see, maybe you trade German index, the DAX. You see, same situation. The indices are running in the same or in a similar direction. DAX is building a bottom here on the lower side. So you can think about a long trade in 5-minute chart. And here, but you see, we have a downtrend. We need a long trade so we can trade into the back to the red zone. And last but least, euro against US dollar maybe. And you see here a long trade, long trend. This is my expert advisor. It makes it automatically. But we are among the red zone. Here we don't make any trades. And as long as you don't have the hourly chart or the bigger trend on your side, don't make trades in 5-minute chart. The probabilities are very less at that moment, and it's always better to have the support from the bigger trend. But last but not least, for our US traders or abroad traders, US dollar against Japanese yen, you see we have a downtrend, very far in the move, but also you can see we have a divergence here on the lower side. So if we see a balanced candle here on the lower side, we can assume that the price will see a stabilization here, and then we can think about in 5-minute charts about the long trade. You see, actually we are on a short, but if you can see a switch to the long trade, we can use our rules and then we can make some trades. So you see, with that viewed markets we talked about, not really any chances at the moment. Maybe it's time to stay on the sideline or to go to have a walk with your dog or some other stuffs, whatever you want to do. And with this in our mind, I wish you a wonderful trading day, a successful trading day. If you have some questions, ask me. You can always switch to my homepage, DowHow-trading.com. There you will find in English, switch from German to English version, then you have all information you want. Or ask me, there's no secrets in trading. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you a lot of success and a happy day. We will see us next week. And if we don't see us during the next days, I wish you a Merry Christmas and calm days and comfortable days in the circle of your family and the environment of your family, and maybe a Happy New Year. Bye bye and take care. My name is Markus Gabel in the name von XM and DowHow Trading, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.